Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 not launching. To fix it, you want to open a new browser in Chrome and type in DirectX download. And you want to click on the first link and use a runtime web installer. Click here, download, save it. And you want to click on this to open it immediately. Click yes here. Now you want to click accept the agreement. Don't install the Bing bar. Untick it and then click next. And after it's done, you want to click finish. The next thing you want to do is click here, open your NVIDIA app or AMD app, and you want to make sure that you download the latest drivers first. So if you have like the game ready drivers, you want to download them. The next thing you also want to do is go to settings, disable NVIDIA overlay. Also, you want to go to system and you want to make sure that G-Sync is on because that could be potentially messing up with the game. So you want to turn it off. If it says on here, you want to disable it. Click here off and then apply. And the last thing you can try is enabling the AES-NI advanced encryption in your motherboard. Look it up, and after you enable that, your game should work properly. That's like a anti-cheat, I think, or something. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you fix Forza Horizon 6 not launching. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.